Hey folks, today is October the 12th. It's currently 2:48 in the afternoon. I decided to go ahead and do the hypergrowthfx weekly update review a little bit early today. Since we don't have many trades open, we do have some good news this week. We were able to close out quite a few trades. I just made myself some notes here. I'll just let you guys see it. You can see here our CAD Japanese yen trades have closed out profitably. And we'll go ahead and take a look. That was from very early on. So let's see where those trades are here. All right, so here we have quite a few CAD Japanese yen trades here. As you can see, take profits got hit. And that was basically closing us out near break even. And then we had another string here, very small profits. And as we go down, we'll see the profits get a little bit larger. You can see here I made $1.60 there, $2.92 there. Actually, that's not CAD yen. Those are other trades that were closed out profitably. Let's keep going down and find some more of those CAD yens. All right, here's some more. $3.74, $3.95. And we'll keep going down here. $8.81. All right, so I think that $8.81 was our largest winner. Just going to keep going down just to double check here. All right, yeah. And this was a, what is it? A 0.01 lot trade. And we made $8.81. So that was a very nice size winner there. And actually, let me pull up the CAD yen chart. And I'm going to see if I can show closed trades. I know there's a way to do it. Just haven't messed with that stuff in a long time here. So just real quick, I'm going to take a look around and see if I can find it. It's not in the templates. Let's go back in properties. Pretty sure it's in here somewhere. Line chart, show ask, show periods, object descriptions, colors. Nope. So it's not in there anywhere. I'm not positive it would actually show up anyway, as one of the things I've noticed, since this is a managed account, I've noticed that, for example, we're in 2 AUD USD trades right now, as you guys can see here. And you can see that those trades aren't showing up on our chart. So I'm not sure even if I could find where I could put those stop and take profit levels, or excuse me, the entry prices and the exit prices, if it would even show up, just based on the fact that we're in a trade right now and it's not even showing our entry and stop levels. And again, 0.01 is what we're trading with. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we did this week. All right, first day of the week was the 8th. All right, so we didn't take as many trades as we took last week. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Lots of little small losses, few small winners. $2, $2, $1 loss. Let me scroll up a little bit here and see if we have anything from 10.8 that's closed from previously in other currency pairs. Here's one. I think that's, yep, CAD Japanese yen. Let's keep going here. Those are all CAD Japanese yen as well. All right, so yeah, not a lot of action this week. $3 winner, $2 winner, $1, $2.21 winner. I really wish I had the MyFX book account set up. One of the reasons I haven't done that yet is because, like I said previously, I've noticed that we don't always see our trades actually on the chart. And since this is a managed account, I'm assuming that's something that's just dealing with the fact that it is a managed account and it's not done the same way as Expert Advisor, or the trades aren't entered the same way Expert Advisor would. So what I'm going to look at doing is every week we're going to monitor our balance here. For example, this week it's at $270.45. As you guys can see that right here, closed weekly balance at $270.45. So we're going to match or monitor that every week, and hopefully that balance is going to continue to go up. All right. Also, I wanted to show you guys that there's a important webinar here in the back office. If you guys log into hypergrowthfx, go over here to video updates, then recorded webinars. It'll take you to the page I'm currently at right now. You just scroll down. You can see here on Tuesday, October 9th, we hosted a very important webinar. Topics discussed include, but not limited to, introducing our audience to the trading style and methodology of our primary trading team that we refer to as Mufasa. Okay. They mentioned him within the first hour of the recording. All right, number 2, discussion about retiring the great white shark. And that's the individual that got us in a lot of those trades where we had some major drawdown. All right. Due to the potential of larger than desired intratrade and intertrade drawdown starting at 104, the announcement of the upcoming founder special with the new broker we will be bringing online in the next few days. We will include a founder special deadline once the broker has finalized the account setup, so that's in there as well. All founders that register their account during the promo period will receive 100% of the profits of their accounts. In other words, there will be no profit sharing arrangement between you and the trading team. This will allow founders to keep hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, and even more in their accounts. This will be a one-time offer. All right, so yeah, here's that video. You can see here 2 hours, a little over 2 hours long, but definitely lots of information there. I was actually on that webinar as well. Jump back over here. All right, next thing I wanted to just mention briefly is starting next week, I'm going to be testing a new EA. I'm going to hopefully get that intro video out to you guys early next week, maybe Monday or Tuesday. And I'll go ahead and get my MyFX book account set up so that we can have our first weekly update review for that product on Friday. All right, number 3, I mentioned to you guys that I was going to start a new managed account testing with real money. And that is still coming soon, but the individual that's starting that, it took him a little time to get his MyFX book account set up, and he has that set up right now. So I'm going to wait until he has at least a month worth of data for us to go over in the intro video. And right now his website, he just got that created. That's something I wanted him to do. I believe I mentioned that in last week's video, and I wanted him to put that MyFX book account, the details of it, up on the website so everybody can see that and see the profitability of his system. So hopefully he'll get that information up there soon. Once he gets everything squared away, I'll, like I said previously, go ahead and open up a 1K account so we can start watching that as well. So that's kind of where we're at right now. As I mentioned, I think also in the last video, I'd like to have at least 3 live account testings going on at once. So hopefully this new managed account that I'm looking into will get live soon so we can start that one. And maybe if this EA turns out okay, once we do the initial maybe 30 or 60 days of testing, maybe we can go ahead and put 500 in an account and let that one run as well. So a few interesting things coming up shortly. And let me see here. All right, so today's the 12th. So next week we should have, or next Friday, we should have 2 weekly update reviews coming out. One for hypergrowthfx, where we'll be able to see if our account balance is growing from 270.45, and then one from this new EA that we're going to be testing. Just check the site EmpireAmbition.com early next week, and you should see an intro video. And I'll also send out a what is it called? An email to the list. All right, and that's another great thing about the individual that we're trading with right now. And actually, I'll go ahead and update this. You can see here 269.59. He just closed out those 2 trades. One moment. I'm going to keep this stuff. All right, so we'll keep that. This individual doesn't like holding trades into the weekend, so that's definitely a good thing for us. And we just got to see him close out 2 trades here. All right, I think that's everything I wanted to touch on. I think our money is going to be a lot safer with the individual that's the lead trader right now. as opposed to the other that was taking a bit more risk on. All right, folks, if you have any questions on hypergrowthfx, don't hesitate to send them my way. You guys can click the link below to get more information, and I will see you on the 19th for our next weekly update review. Take care, folks.